Well, thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, we're fully into winter now, by the looks of it. The snow's here, it looks like it's here to stay. Today's the day I'm getting water. Basically, I've been getting it from a 2-inch hose from an artesian well. But when someone set that hose down, they set it down and the water actually froze in the hose. So now I have to get it from a smaller hose. Grabbing water from my homestead. I've got two 55-gallon drums, and I've got a small drum right there. That's I don't know what that is. That's I don't know, 35 gallons, 120 liters. So I've got a 1,000-liter tote at home, and what I do is I transfer it from here into the 1,000-liter tote. I attempted to do a sand point in the summer, but I didn't have very much success. So now I have to gather my water for the winter. I take it off the eave trough in the summer and I filter it. I go through a leaf eater. I go through a first flush. Then I put it into the house. And once it's in the house, it goes through 4 filters. It goes through a 30 micron filter, a 5 micron filter, a charcoal filter, then it goes through a chlorine filter. Once I put the water into the house, I actually put some chlorine in it, which kills any E. coli. And then of course the last filter takes chlorine back out. Once it goes through all 4 filters in the house, then it goes through a UV light. So it's quite a process to make sure my water's nice and fresh and safe to drink. Now this water right here, which comes out of an artesian well, is actually really good water. I've tested it, but I still go through all the filters and make sure that it's safe for my family to drink. So that's my process of gathering water. Certainly a lot easier to get it off the eave trough, but this time of year that's not really very viable of a solution. So today I'm gathering water. So now you know how I do it. I don't know how you do it. Leave a comment and let me know how you gather your water for your off-grid home. Have a great day. We'll talk to you in the next video.